If you would like the original preset file, you can download it for free by finding the password in this tutorial. Detailed instructions can be found in the description. Let's begin. Open the light section. Contrast, plus 35. Highlights, minus 50. Shadows, plus 45. Whites, minus 35. Blacks, minus 50. Let's go to the tone curve. Modify the blue curve this way. Open the color section. Temp, minus 15. Tint, minus 15. Vibrance, plus 20. Open color mix. Red. Luminance, plus 15. Orange. Luminance, plus 15. Yellow. Hue, minus 50. Saturation, minus 25. Luminance, plus 10. Green. Hue, minus 70. Saturation, minus 30. Luminance, plus 10. Open the color grading section. Let's edit the shadows. Hue, plus 230. Saturation, plus 20. Move to midtones. Hue, plus 55. Saturation, plus 25. Change the highlights. Hue, plus 25. Saturation, plus 20. Balance, plus 30. Open the effects section. Clarity, minus 25. Dehaze, plus 30. Vignette, amount, minus 30. Open optics and tick remove CA. And we're finished. To keep up to date with new tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Check out the rest of this channel for more free presets. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.